Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unsend a message on a group chat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs and open up some group conversation. Then you can write down some message and send it to that group conversation, and let's say you want to unsend that message now. So if you want to delete a message from group conversation, you need to do it as quickly as possible, because the more members there are in that group conversation and the more of them are actually online now, the sooner someone will see the message you sent. So all you have to do in order to unsend a message is just hold down on that message and then hit on unsend. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.